Designed to fit neatly in compact kitchens, this Hoover Undercounter freezer is easy to accommodate and adds plenty of style. It offers easy undercounter access and a stylish look with its external handle, allowing you to open and close the door without fuss. There's plenty of space for your food inside, with 64 litres of storage space that you can make the most of. You get plenty of space to store your food and easy visibility to see what you've got, with 3 transparent drawers. Managing your temperature setting is straightforward thanks to the handy dial controls.